If you use VLC Media Player, chances are it works 9 out of 10 times, but that one time the error might be something unrecognizable. My name is Abdullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about the VLC Media Player says your input is not working error. Now, this error happens because your file does not have the apt permissions or is owned by some other account on your system, so that VLC can't access it. To fix this issue, simply right-click the file and head over to Properties. In here, go to the Security tab, and what we're going to do is just check your username and check to see if you have control of the file. If you don't see your username here, what we're going to do is click on Advanced, click on Change in front of the owner, and in here I'm just going to type in Administrator. Click on Check Names, it will bring up the administrator here. Click OK. And now as you can see, the administrator has full access and your account has full access too, but this might not be the case on your system. So once you've made this change, go ahead and click Apply and then click OK. Now in here, what we're going to do now is click Edit to change its permissions, and then just go to your account and the administrator's account that we just gave permissions to, and make sure that none of the deny boxes are checked for both of these accounts. If that's the case, click OK and then click OK, and now you should be able to access your file inside of VLC. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.